Hi everybody, let's create this image reveal Instagram reel. First, search Instagram reel in search bar and start with a blank canvas. Now add all your images you want in your reels on separate pages. Here's all my images I will use in this reel. Now go to second page. Make sure the images are not set as background. Just drag the images to make it the right size. Now copy this image and paste it on the first page. Remove its background with background remover. Now go to Edit and select Shadows. Here, choose the outline option from the menu. You can adjust the size of the outline with this bar. Change the color to white. You may choose any other color if you want. Now go to the third image, copy it and paste it over the second image. Remove its background. Again go to the Edit, then Shadows and choose Outline. One thing you will notice is that when we apply an outline, the thicker the outline is, the smaller the image is itself. So we need to adjust the size of the outline image so it matches the size of its original image. I'll show you. When we transition from second page to third page, the trees are changing its position. So we will drag the image from corners to make it a little big. So now they both are aligned. So we are going to repeat the same procedure till the end. Remove background, create outline and adjust the size. Once you are done with all the images get outlined, we will move to the next step. But before that, don't forget to join our next Canva community on Facebook so that we can all learn and grow together. Link is in the description box, so join today. Now back to tutorial. Go to duration button down there, change the time to 1 second and make sure apply to all pages button is on. Select the outline image and right click. Now click on the show timings. This purple bar will appear down here. Drag the bar from left to right at 0.5 seconds. Repeat this step in all outline images. And once it's done, your reel is ready. Here's the final look. Do try this tutorial and share your recreations in our Facebook group. See you next time.